Common oil change scams and DIY mistakes you need to watch out for, such as the undercarriage of this vehicle being damaged even when using an OEM jack. However, this hockey puck or something that looks similar can protect it. Now, as you'll see, draining the oil, what could this possibly be but a scam by shops where they're saving half of a quart to a quart of oil by not allowing it all to drain and saving a little bit of time in the process. Guys, this really adds up over the course of time, and it's definitely not good for your vehicle. So, unfortunately, you can't just pull your dipstick out and tell because it's all in the bottom and you won't even know. Now, another big issue when it comes to shops and DIYers, they use an oil filter wrench. This wrench I'm using, however, doesn't allow you to tighten up the filter, but only loosen it. And that's what they need on every oil filter wrench, so that these guys can't over tighten these filters. Not to mention not cleaning off around the gasket area where it's to be placed up against the block and leaving the previous gasket in the process. You wouldn't believe how many shops and DIYers do this. Next up, we have one of the #1 issues, which is contamination. This can happen many ways. Ask any testing facility that does oil, and they'll tell you just that. As you see, I'm using this funnel that has a screen made inside of it. Now, unfortunately, a lot of shops aren't going to do this because it does take more time for it to drain. Not too awful long, but nevertheless, it slows them down. So, this is something you got to watch out for. Not only on the oil filter, but when pouring the oil in, people are breaking the seal, getting part of the seal in there, or leaving the cap off for an extended period of time when bugs and other issues could arise and get inside of the engine, causing plenty of damage. You'll even see them use the same rags all day. This way they're not spending any extra cost using this dirty old rag with dirt, grease, and other contaminants on it. And one of the biggest issues, many people or shops get in a hurry. What are they doing this time? Well, they're just filling it up. They don't allow the engine to run and then fill it up again. Thanks for watching. Nate's Interactive Auto.